Well, hi guys and gals, it's me George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I have an update on the video I did on replacing headlight bulbs in your HHR. There is a simpler way to do it on the passenger side than pulling the wheel well off. All you have to do is reach down in here where this air intake duct is and pop it right out of the way, and then you look down in here, you can see the plug for your light, and all you have to do is reach in there, unplug it, and plug the new one in. It's that simple. I can't show you because I can't get my hand in there and the camera at the same time, but you can see the wires and you can see the back of the headlight right there. And it's just a matter of twisting it out, replacing the bulb, and twisting it back in. Hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching. Bye now.